Hey, in this video, we're going to take a look at how to set up a webmail. If you notice, when I sign in, we have a little webmail icon. I'm going to show you how to set that up in your environment. To do this, if you're back on the menu, click on the little person, click on integrations. You want to say connect an email account, and you're going to click it again. When you do that, it takes you to this list. I can then click add. In my case, I've already typed one in, so I'm just going to edit it. All right, so a little bit about the fields. This is the email address. Username is usually the same. This IMAP server is also known as like the incoming email. I'll show you how it works on Bluehost and GoDaddy. That's the port it connects to. Usually it's in the configurations in there, and I'll show you how to find that. SMTP is often known as outbound. That's how we send emails out of the system. So we're going to take a look at, I guess we're going to start off with Bluehost. So in Bluehost, you're going to sign in, go to email configurations. In here, you pick your account. At the top, I've picked the same account. And in here, I have my incoming mail server. So this is what I'm going to put in there for that IMAP. The port by default is 143. That's where I got it from. Outbound, or SMTP, is right here. And the port's 26. So, sorry, I have lots of tabs. All right. So in here, I basically put that server name and the corresponding port. I put the password in. I then click test email. Test email works. I then click save. Once I click save, it's now in the list. You're going to have to sign out and sign back in for it to take effect. When you do so, you'll have a little email icon at the top. When you click on that, it's going to pull up a list of all of your email accounts. Now, I only have one set up. When I select that, it will pull up all the emails in that account. I can then tab through by using the paging controls. If I want to create a new email, I can click compose, and it opens up a box so I can send an email. I can type in names in here. Now, one other thing it does is when you have an email account set up, I'm going to go over to leads. I'm going to pick this one. I have an email address in here. Now, when I click this mail icon, it prompts me internally to be able to send the message. Now, I have the from. Again, there's only one in this list, but I can actually have 5 or 6 accounts, and I can toggle between them. If I want to add a new address, let's say bob@aol.com, hit enter. He appears on the list. If I want to remove him, click little X. You give the subject and the contents. Currently, it's not working with attachments yet, but that is on the roadmap. If you happen to be using GoDaddy, which is another very popular web hosting, the first one I showed you was Bluehost. You can go into this email setup center inside of GoDaddy. Once you do that, you can say you want to edit an account or create a new account. And then you can look at the IMAP setting area. It should have the incoming mail server and the outgoing mail server just the same. If you have any questions, reach out to us and let us know. Thank you.